Hi everyone, it's Ed from RU Cars. Today we've got this 2012 Volvo S60. This one's a D3R design. It's done 84,000 miles. It's got 9 services with it. It's in sapphire black. Really clean and tidy thing. Fantastic value. Nice spec with it. It's got the xenon lights. It's got the 18-inch R design wheels, which are all unmarked. Typical R design silver mirrors. Really clean and tidy look. It's got rear parking sensors. Got your twin exhausts. Little spoiler, which is a nice touch. Diffuser's great. There's a little mark on it just there, look. We'll get one of the guys to touch that up. But yeah, very clean and tidy. There's no big scratches or damage, etc. It's just had a cam belt done about 500-600 miles ago, maybe a little bit more, but yeah, less than 1,000 miles ago. Comes serviced, MOT'd, 3-month warranty, all within the price. There's no admin fees. Really nice car. Very clean. It does have folding rear seats, I believe. Backrest release, so yeah, I'm going to say that's what that is. No spare wheel. Just the compressor kit. It's got the tech interior. So it's like this neoprene leather cloth. It's just your standard R design interior really. It's very nice, it's hard wearing, looks good. It's got the Isofix as well, rear electric windows. Driver's memory seat, that's an upgrade on the R design. Your 3-spoke steering wheel, folding mirrors. All in very nice condition. As I just jump in the car, you can see the mileage is 84062. I'll give it a quick start. We've got 2 keys as well for this. So as you see there, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. No rear belts. That's it, no warnings or anything. Cruise control. We've got heated seats, which is another option. Obviously it's got the start-stop, got the power fold headrest, so you've got your aircon, your climate control. But this one also comes with the, I forgot what it's called, the upgraded audio basically and media, so you've got better speakers and you've got full media with Bluetooth audio, iPod, USB, etc. Again, that is an upgrade. Tiny bit of bubbling just there, look, to the aluminium, but can't be helped. Cup holders, that's really it. Drives well, does drive really well. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.